Dumpster rental service in Florida. Need a reliable dumpster rental service in Florida? Big Dawg Dumpsters makes waste disposal easy, fast, and affordable. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, remodeling your home, or handling a large construction project, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. Homeowners love our 15-yard dumpsters for decluttering, renovations, and small-scale projects. Contractors rely on our 20-yard and 30-yard dumpsters to handle demolition, roofing, and large construction debris. No job is too big or too small, we have a solution for every cleanup. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we take pride in fast and reliable service. Need a dumpster today or tomorrow? We've got you covered. Our on-time delivery and pickup mean you won't have to deal with unnecessary delays. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, we make renting a dumpster simple and stress-free. Our team is ready to help you choose the right dumpster size and guide you through the rental process. Serving a wide area throughout Florida, we're your local dumpster rental experts. As a veteran-operated business, we value honesty, efficiency, and top-notch customer service. Book your dumpster today. Call Big Dawg Dumpsters at 743-244-3294. Let's make waste removal easy and hassle-free.